Hey everybody, Art Wood Mortgage Team, your favorite mortgage guy on the planet. If you didn't know, just ask me. I will tell you. Just had a phone conversation with a real estate agent, and it just triggered me to go ahead and put a video out about it. They were asking about a DSCR loan. So for those of you who don't know, DSCR loans are a debt service coverage ratio loan, which means we don't have to prove income, but we do make sure that the proposed mortgage payment is higher than the market or the lower than the market rent. So you can imagine there's less documentation, so there's higher levels of criteria with down payments, and then the rates are going to be a little bit higher. But as I started going through the qualification, not steps, but questions with the real estate agent, she's like, well, I don't think they'd qualify. You know, they're W-2. And I was like, look, if they're W-2 and they qualify for their current income already without the other house, then there's a high likelihood that they can qualify for an investment property on their current income. And the reason is when we go through qualification steps, you are allowed to use 75% of the proposed rental payment on the new property to offset the payment. So let's say the payment is going to be the proposed rent payment is going to be $2,000. We can give you credit for $1,500 a month to offset that payment and qualifications. So I know that's a little complicated, but investment properties, as long as you have the cash 25% down, then you can qualify for a lot more than you know. So, for the real estate partners out there, I don't want you to get bogged down and trying to learn these things. Just say, I've got a great mortgage guy, Art Wood. He's going to go through it with you. And if a DSCR it works, then that's what we'll do. If that's the only thing that we can do, bank statements may work, P&L loans may work, but most likely we could probably get in. If you got a decent credit score, you got W-2 income, and it qualifies for what you currently have, then there's a good chance that we can make it happen. So give me a shout. I'll turn your mortgage into a work of art. Take care.